Hi everyone, my name is Sai Nitin and my title name is Dinesh sir. I'm saying about MySQL. Here SQL means structured query language, and here SQL is used for the communicate with the database, and it is a query language. Here SQL is not a database, but it is used to communicate with the database. Here what is database? Database means used to store the data in a table format. Table format. Here what is table? Table means it is used to store the data in rows and columns. In what is data? Data is collection of information. Here there are two types of databases. One is DBMS, another one is RDBMS. Here DBMS means database management system. Here RDBMS means relational database management system. Here it stores the data in file format, but RDBMS stores the data in table format. And it is for multiple. It is used for only single user, and it is for multiple users. It stores the data in unstructured way, but it stores the data in structured way. Here, these are the differences between DBMS and RDBMS. And here, MySQL comes from RDBMS. MySQL is RDBMS because in MySQL all data stores in the format of table format, so it is RDBMS. Here there are four types of languages in MySQL. One is DDL, second one is DML, second one DCL, and fourth one is TCL. Here DDL means data definition language. Here data definition language means it is used to create the tables in a database, and it means like building a house but not a fully house. There are four types of commands: alter, drop, create, truncate, and rename. Here alter command used to add the columns or add the columns in a database table. Drop command used to drop the table. Here create command is used to create a table structure. Truncate is used to remove the table. Here difference between drop and truncate is, in drop we can drop the whole table, but in truncate also we can remove the table, but in drop it removes permanently. It removes permanently, but truncate it does not remove permanently table structure. Rename is used to rename the table name. These are data definition language 5 commands. Now DML. DML means data manipulation language. Here DML is used to change the data inside the table. Used to change data inside table. In this there are 4 commands: update, select, delete, insert. Yeah, these are 4 commands, and update command used to change the data in particular row. Select command is used to means see the table structure and the table data inside table. Here delete command used to delete the row or a column. And insert command used to insert the values in the table. These are the 4 commands in DML language. And DCL means data control language. Here DCL used to control the data. There are 2 commands in DCL. First one is grant. Second is revoke. Here grant is used to give the permission to the user. Means only permission user only used to insert the data or select the data. Here this permission given by the higher authority person. Revoke used to take back the permission. These are the main 2 commands in DCL. Here TCL means transactional control language. Here TCL used to control the transactions in a database. Here there are 3 commands. One is commit. Second one is rollback. Third one is checkpoint. Here commit means it is used to commit the transaction. And in commit, once we complete the transaction, we cannot modify that. We cannot modify the data. Means in ATM, if we done the transaction, we cannot modify the transaction. Here rollback means, here rollback is used to remove the commit and it gets to the starting position. Means if we doing in a transaction, if we add a command rollback, it comes to the starting transaction. And checkpoint. Here we keep a checkpoint in a particular position. Here if you kept a checkpoint in a particular position, the command is used to stop in that position, but it not goes to the remaining transaction.